I have created on a new dashboard here. Let me rename it as HR analysis. Okay. And then the size could be something similar to what your screen size is. So I will change it from here range to automatic. Now one thing I usually do is I always create some background templates of the dashboard in different tools like Figma, PowerPoint, uh, uh, and so on. So what you can also do is you can create similar kind of templates. So like for this I've created this kind of template here in PowerPoint. So now what we will do is I will select from the left hand side. I will click on image. I'll click on choose and I'll pick the image which is there, and you can choose the option like fit image and apply. You can click on OK, and once you do that you will see that your background image has been applied. Now one thing also which will be important is, for the ease of convenience of how you are putting up the visualizations on top of it, you can always keep it as floating. So floating will give you the option to edit it, resize it as per your requirement, just like this. Okay, now that we are done, let's add the sheets available which we have created in our dashboard. So I'm just readjust this as per the section which you have created, so that all these KPIs can be easily added in here. Okay, and one more thing we can do is we can also bring this one to forward and floating. There you go. Okay, so similarly, let's add all the visuals in other areas as well. So now all the visuals have been added to your dashboard. So now that all the visuals are added, you can easily work on adjusting all of these visuals as per your requirement and as per the background template which you have created. Alright, so let's quickly work on that. I will choose the image, fit it and add it into the data. Okay, now we can adjust all the other visuals as well here. So similarly, you just have to make sure that you are adjusting all the visuals and aligning them properly as per the sections which you have created. And then once you are done with that, it would be easier and it would it would not only look very cleaner, but also will be a very easy to view and look at the visuals appropriately. I'm just turning off the title. There you go. So just like that, we have almost updated and added all of them on the page. One thing you might be noticing is that because of the white background of the images, they are not looking that pleasant in the dashboard. So we might have to make it a little bit more cleaner by removing their white background of all of these images.